Stop waiting. It's enough. Your regret binds through true love. This moment in time is caught in your mind. Your release will bring you sight. So take a minute, free some time, and will you see that I'm the only one for you, the thing you need? Could it be that this might be a love that's made for you, 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 you? Take a risk, play the game, you'll be fine. You never know what you could win, roll the dice. Could it be that this might be a love that's made for you, 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 my love?
Ako si Reggie Aguinaldo.
It could
Ay
be
kumukuha
for
sa iyo, Bes Alicias,
Ay kumukuha sa iyo, Bes Alicias,
upang maging aking pinakasalang asawa,
upang maging aking pinakasalang asawa,
upang ibigin at pagkamahalin alinsunod sa batas ng Diyos,
upang ibigin at pagkamahalin alinsunod sa kautusan ng Diyos.
Ako, si Bes Alicias,
ay kumukuha sa iyo, Reggie Aguinaldo,
ay kumukuha sa iyo, Reggie Aguinaldo,
upang maging aking pinakasalang asawa,
upang maging aking pinakasalang asawa,
upang ibigin at pagkamahalin at matinding igalang,
upang ibigin at mahalin at matinding igalang.
isang kagalakan para sa akin na ipakilala sa inyo sina Brother and Sister Aguinaldo.